In my quest for speed with the UL-19, obviously 6S is the choice. Sticking with the 17-16 stock prop, no question, hooks up. The only upgrades I've put on this boat is the Offshore Electrics dual water pickup rudder. I've modified it, just ran it like this. I'm going to share that modification. I've put the large lines throughout the boat. Ordered 6 feet, changed every line. They're running each line a separate system to the motor and ESC with dual outlets. I'm running U&Me 3S lipos. They're 50C continuous, 100 max discharge rating. I've also upgraded the servo, steering servo. I modified the stuffing box. Had to take about a 32nd of an inch off in order to get the prop shaft centerline level while at the same height as the sponsons. And I'm running the stock turn fin set at 0 vertical. Alright, I'm going to run some laps with the same setup that I just posted. 68.7. Fresh batteries. Everything has had time to cool off. I'm going to run with the GPS, see what kind of speeds we hit on the laps, and we'll check some temperatures. I've certainly noticed driving laps is a whole different deal than straightaway runs. Darren Jordan, man drives like a boss. Conditions today are beautiful. Fine start.
Not going to take a cool down run. We'll bring it straight in. Take some temperatures. I believe that was 5 laps.
Alright, looks like we hit pretty close to 60. Give you an idea, anyway, what kind of speeds. So there's 5 laps, 128 on the motor. $128 on the motor itself. $136 on this end. $130 speed control. $114. $132. You don't want to be measuring on a water jacket. $132. Batteries, 108, got up there that time, it's the highest I've seen, and 110. Kind of fascinated with the 6S, and maybe the guys that race will tell me otherwise, but maybe you get more consistent laps with a little bit lower top end, maintain it through the corners, but kind of fun being able to push 60 in the course.